Is Enjoyopros really a great way, an easy way to make money online just by reading news? And can you really make $700 per week just by doing this? Or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I came across this site because one of my viewers here on my YouTube channel asked about it, and I decided to take a look, and it was quite shocking what I found. There are a lot of red flags. Let me just reveal that right away. So if you have considered to join this site here or the site called Enjoy One Hit, because they are basically the same, but I'll go over more about that later, then it is very important that you watch this video first so you know exactly what to expect. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online. So let's start by going over the name, because I mentioned that this Enjoyopros is the same as a site called Enjoy One Hits, because when I tried to sign up for this, something weird happened. I actually just got redirected to a different website called Easy One Hits. So I could not as such log into Enjoyopros. I just gave my information and then I got redirected there. So that is very strange. But it seems like it's definitely the same company. They look exactly the same. So I'll just jump over there now and see where I was taken when I tried to sign up for this Enjoyopros. So I was then taken to this Enjoy One Hit. You can see they look very much the same. They are exactly the same. Everything is the same except for the domain here and the name that they show here. But let me then log in so I can show you what they claim that you can earn by doing, and also what you really need to be aware of before you start investing any time here. So let me just start by going over an error I found when I tried to log in, because I actually just registered very recently and I know 100% sure that I have the right information, but now suddenly I get wrong information, so I can't sign up. So it seems like at any moment you can actually lose access to your account, and I cannot log in now. And this is definitely a red flag, because if you're not sure when your account might not be available anymore, then something strange is definitely going on. But I will try to now create a new account so I can show you what they have inside. So I now managed to actually get inside Enjoy One Hit here, and you can see here it's almost funny what they claim you can earn by doing if you have used get paid to sites before. But if you have not and you were just looking for legit ways to earn money online, this is actually not funny, because you can end up wasting a lot of time. And I hope this video will help you so you can see exactly what to expect here, but also will help you so you know what to look for when you are looking for other sites. But what they claim is that you can earn here just by reading articles here and then click a like or dislike, and they claim that you can earn $3.30 just for doing that. So let's just see how easy that would be. So I will click one of these articles here, and you can see this is the article. There is not really any article. There's nothing I can scroll or anything like that. And then I just need to like or dislike. I also need to answer what this here is, and then I would say dislike here, and then they claim that I would earn $3.30 just for that. So let me just go over that in general, when sites claim that you can make this much money for something that takes you 1 second, and where it doesn't make sense, because why would they pay you for this? They do not have any advertisers that this article is for or anything like that. You can see that, so it doesn't make sense. They cannot pay you that much because they would not get any money for this. Clearly something else is going on. But you can see here, supposedly I read this article and I earned $3.30. See, I can even see them in my balance. It looks like I have $3.30 there. So you might get very excited and think this is super easy and fast money. But please watch the rest of this review before you go and sign up here, because claims like this are just not realistic. You will not earn $3.30 for something that takes 1 second like this. That would make it an extremely high paying website for a task that doesn't make sense, because whenever a site offers to pay you for something, you have to think about why are they doing that, who are paying them, because they can only afford to pay you if they also get paid, because that's how businesses work, right? They also need to make it run. So clearly, if they have nobody to pay them, then they would not be able to pay you, and they are definitely not going to pay you $3.30 for reading an article like that. But that is not the only problem about this site, Enjoy One Hit or Enjoyopros or whatever URL that they then change it to. So Enjoy One Hit or Enjoyopros, they also claim that they have an affiliate program where you can get paid to invite other people. It's very normal for get paid to sites to have referral programs like that to help them grow and to give you and some earnings for inviting others. So it's definitely nothing unusual about that. But what is unusual is that they claim that you will get $33 just to get a person to register. That is extremely high paying, and I've never seen a get paid to site that is free to join that would pay you that much just to get a referral. There are no other demands than you just need to get a person to join here. That's again just an unrealistic claim to get you to actually refer people. But let's see what happens if I actually create an account where I sign up through this one here. So I just created an account through my link, and this is something I would never recommend you to do for legit sites. Never refer yourself or try to create fake accounts. It will just get you banned because of that. Of course, that is not fair, and that's not a way to try to earn through referral programs. You need to do it honestly. But because this site is so full of red flags and BS, I just decided to test it because it doesn't really matter. I don't care about this because they are trying to waste our time, so I don't really care about also using a referral link like that here. But as you can see, they want me to believe that I just earned $33 just for doing something like that. There was no email confirmation, there were no further demands that the person had to do any task. They want me to believe that that would give me $33, and that is of course not true. That is not possible. Of course they cannot pay me $33 just for that. When sites make unrealistic claims like this, it is a huge red flag, and you should really be careful when a site claims things like that where it just sounds way too good to be true. So let's also go over the supposed payout method, because here you can see that you can enter Visa card, MasterCard, Paysa or PayPal account number here, and then you will receive your rewards once you have earned $495. And having a payout threshold of $495 is in itself a huge red flag for a get paid to site. I have never seen a payout threshold this high here. It is just ridiculous, and when it is that high, you should not even try to reach it, because first of all, the earning methods are unrealistic here, and then they want you to put in that much time to actually reach the threshold before you can even confirm if you will get your money. But I can tell you, you will not get those money, so you don't have to waste your time doing that. And then they want you to give some information, either your Visa card, MasterCard or PayPal account. I would strongly advise you to never give your Visa card number or MasterCard number or PayPal account number here to this site here. They do not have a privacy policy. They do not have any information about who is behind this site or anything like that. That is just something that you should not give any personal information to a site like this that has this many red flags, and they do not even have any terms or any privacy policy or anything like that. So do not give any information like that. So to sum it up, yes, in your Enjoy One Hit or Enjoyopros account, you can probably get $700 per week, but you will not see those money in a real account. They mean nothing when they are in your Enjoy One Hit or Enjoyopros account, because if you cannot get them out, they are just worthless. And the site has so many red flags and warning signs that I just strongly recommend you to stay away from it. The earning method is just completely unrealistic. There are not really any articles. Why would they pay me $3.30 for spending 1 second on clicking a like or dislike button for something that's not even an article? It is clearly a made up way of making money to get you in there and give some information there. And also they have a ridiculously high payout threshold. There is no privacy policy. There is no information about the owners behind the site or anything like that. So I decided to record this video because somebody is asked me about Enjoyopros, and then I was redirected to Enjoy One Hit, and I just could see why it can seem so appealing because it seems like easy money. But I really hope that this review has helped making it very clear why you should not join, why you should not waste your time here. If you want to make money online by doing small online micro tasks, it is definitely possible, but you need to spend more time. You will not earn $33 just for sharing a link. You will not earn $3.30 just for clicking a like button. That's not how it works, but you can make some really nice money on the side if you're willing to put in a bit of effort on the legit sites. And if you want to see a list of my top recommended get paid to sites and paid service sites where you can join and where you can do different online micro tasks and get paid in cash or gift cards, and the sites I have been paid by many times myself, then I have all that information on my website, paidfromservice.com, and I will leave a link to that below this video here. So make sure to check that out. And also, if this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.